This is Brian with WTI, and this is one of the best options that you can find to store any liquid on your fridge, like milk, juice, water, without any contamination. So if you're looking for an option, stay with me and I'm going to tell you why this is one of my favorites.
In my experience, the glass pitcher with push type lid from Popeye has been a fantastic addition to my household. One of the things I appreciate most is how it eliminates any possibility of unwanted taste transfers. No matter what else you keep on your refrigerator, you can rest assured that your chosen beverage will remain pure and refreshingly delicious. Its simple and sophisticated design makes it a beautiful, decorative item that reflects good taste and attention to detail. In short, the glass pitcher with push type lid has exceeded my expectations in every way. It is definitely a practical, elegant product that helps me enjoy pure and flavorful beverages every time. I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to ensure their water and juice always taste their best.
And that was my point of view.